Good day, everyone. My name is Dan, and welcome to Gordon's School of Mathematics. In case you have any mathematics question you need answered to, please send us a WhatsApp message to this number 09015374417, and we will add you to our math community where you can ask your mathematics questions and get answers absolutely for free. In our last class, I made a mistake, right? We are given angle C to equal 116 degrees. We got angle A to equal 39.4 degrees in our last class. And then we were to find angle B, where we say sum of angles in a triangle is equal 180 degrees. That is A plus B, then plus C is equal 180 degrees. We have A to be 116 degrees plus B degrees plus C is 39.4 degrees, which is equal 180 degrees, right? So we have B degrees plus 116 degrees plus 39.4, right? I said it's equal 115. So 116 plus 39.4 is not equal 115.4. Instead, it's equal 155.4 degrees, which is equal 180 degrees. So that our B degrees will equal 180 degrees minus 155.4 degrees, which makes our B degrees to equal 24.6 degrees. So for today's question, we have in triangle ABC, side A is equal 7.1 centimeter, side B equals 9.5 centimeter, and angle B equals 63 degree 18 minutes. Now remember, I said once you are given two sides, right, and one angle that belong to any of the two sides given, then we use sine rule. So we're given side A, side B, and angle B. So which means we are using sine rule. We have side A equals 7.1 centimeter, side B equals 9.5 centimeter, and angle B equals 63 degrees 18 minutes. Remember, our sine rule states that the ratio of a side and the sine of its angle is equal, that is A over sine A equal B over sine B, which is also equal C over sine C. Since we are given A and B, then we are using these guys. We'll be able to find sine B. We'll be able to find sine A. Now, our B is equal 63 degrees 18 minutes. Now let's convert this to degree. Now 1 degree equal 60 minutes, which means 18 minutes will equal 18 divided by 60, right? Which is equal, that should be 0. Sorry, 1 minute. That's 0.3. So it means that our B is equal 63.3 degrees. So we can now solve. We have side A is 7.1 over sine A, which is equal sine B, which is 9.5. Side B is 9.5 over sine 63.3 degrees. Now, to find sine A, we cross multiply, so that 9.5 multiplying sine A will equal 7.1 multiplying sine 63. Now, 9.5 multiplying sine A is equal 7.1 sine 63.3, and that gives us 6.3429. To get our sine A, we'll divide both sides by 9.5, which is equal 6.3429 divided by 9.5. We have sine A equals 0.6677. So to find our A, sine crosses to the other side becomes arcsine. So our A is equal sine inverse 0.6677. So we have sine inverse 0.6677. This gives us, we have angle A equal 41.89 degrees. Now, remember, our question was not given purely in degrees. It was given in degrees and minutes. So it means our angle A will equal, so we need to convert 0.89 to minutes, which means to convert that will be 0.89 times 60, which is equal 53.4 minutes, right? Now, which means our A is equal 41.53.4 minutes. Now, you can convert this 4 minutes to seconds. That's 0.4 times 60, and that should give us 25 seconds. So which means our A will equal 41 degrees 53 minutes 25 seconds. Right now, but our question says solve the triangle completely. To solve a triangle completely means to find every parameter, find all sides, find all angles. Now that we've gotten angle A, we find angle B. So our angle B, of course, using sum of angles in a triangle, which is equal 180 degrees, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degrees. We already got angle A to be 41.89 degrees for purpose of calculation, plus angle C, angle B was given as, we have 63.3 degrees, then plus angle C will give us 180 degrees. So 41.89 plus 63.3 is equal 105.19 degrees, then plus C degrees equal 180 degrees. So that 180 degrees, our C degrees will equal 180 degrees minus 105.19 degrees. That our C degrees will equal 74.81 degrees. 74.81 degrees. However, our degrees, our angles was given in degrees and minutes. So we need to convert 0.81, that's 0.81 to minutes, which will be 0.81 times 60. 0.81 times 60 is equal 48 33.6 minutes, which means our C degree is equal to 74 degrees, then 48.6 minutes. You can go ahead to convert this 6 minutes to seconds. That is 0.6 times 60. 0.6 times 60 is 36 seconds. That means our C degree is equal 74 degrees, 48 minutes, and then 36 seconds. All right. Now, we need to also find side C. We're given side A, we're given side B, but we're not given side C. And we're asked to solve the triangle completely using either side A and C or side B and C. So, whichever one, you can get your side C. Now, me using side B and side C, that will be B over sine B equal C over sine C. Now, that means that my B is 9.5. So I have B over, that means 9.5 over our B is that's sine 63.3 equal side C over sine our C we got for purpose of calculation is 74.81. So to get C, we cross multiply. So that C sine 63.3 will equal 9.5 multiplying sine 74.81. Now, 9.5 sine 74.81 is 9.17. It means our C, C multiplying sine 63.3 is equal 9.17. So this gives us 9.17. To get my C, I divide both sides by sine 63.3. Divide both sides by sine 63.3. This cancels this. My side C is equal 9.17 divided by sine 63.3. And that gives me C is equal 10.3 centimeter.